Hey ho, folding molding crew, another paper craft, just for you. Grab your sheet, it's time to swish. Today, we're folding a paper fish. Welcome back to Paper Mommy Origami. Today, we're crafting a simple and fun origami fish, perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone who loves relaxing paper folding. All you need is one square sheet of paper, any color you like, blue, yellow, orange, or maybe even rainbow fish today. Now here's a little fishy joke while you fold. Why are origami fish so good at school? Because they're great at following instructions. Alright, let's take it slow and steady. This video is designed to be calming. Fold at your own pace and enjoy every crease. And remember, no glue, no scissors, no stress, just pure folding fun. If you enjoy relaxing origami videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to Paper Mommy Origami. We post new folding adventures every day, and there's always something fun to fold. Okay then, let's dive right in. Finn. And that's a wrap, Folding Molding Crew. Thanks for watching. You did awesome today. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Paper Mommy Origami for more relaxing folds. We've got plenty more paper magic waiting for you, so check out the channel and pick your next fold. Until next time, keep calm and fold on. Hey ho!